Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: the backup squad, HSRP, VRRP, and keeping your routers alive. Hey Network Academy Fun fam! Ever wondered what happens if the main internet router in a big office just quits? Panic? Chaos? Not if you've got our backup squad ready. Today, we're diving into the superheroes of network redundancy, HSRP and VRRP. Get ready to keep those packets flowing, no matter what. Imagine you have only one road leading to the biggest theme park ever. If that road gets a giant pothole, or, a router dies, poof, no one gets to the fun. That one router is a single point of failure, a fancy way of saying if it breaks, everything breaks. We need a plan B, C, and maybe even D for our networks. This is where first hop redundancy protocols, FHRPs, come in, our backup squad. They're like having multiple roads to that theme park, or multiple pizza delivery drivers for your Friday night feast. If one path or driver is down, another automatically takes over without you even noticing. HSRP and VRRP are the star players here. First up, HSRP, the hot standby router protocol. Think of it like this. You have a main manager, the active router, who's always doing the work. But right next to them is a super prepared understudy, the standby router, who's ready to jump in the second the manager faints from too much coffee. Users just send their traffic to a virtual address, and HSRP makes sure it always goes to whoever's currently active. Next, we have VRRP, the virtual router redundancy protocol. It's very similar to HSRP, like a super cool cousin. Instead of active, standby, VRRP uses master, backup. The master router is doing all the work, and the backup router is chilling, ready to take over. The cool thing? VRRP is an open standard, meaning different vendors can play nice together. HSRP is Cisco specific, but VRRP is for everyone. So how do users seamlessly switch? It's all thanks to a magic virtual IP address and virtual MAC address. Instead of pointing your computer's default gateway to a physical router's IP, you point it to this virtual IP. The backup squad members, HSRP, VRRP, then decide who owns that virtual IP at any given moment. So, your computer always thinks it's talking to the same router, even if the actual physical device changes behind the scenes. Ta-da! Why is all this super important for becoming a data center engineer? Because downtime is a huge no-no. Whether it's online shopping, streaming your favorite show, or critical business applications, everything relies on a stable network. HSRP and VRRP are key tools in your arsenal to build networks that are resilient, reliable, and practically indestructible. No more single points of failure, just continuous connectivity bliss. So, HSRP, Cisco specific, active, standby, and VRRP, open standard, master, backup, both do the same awesome job of keeping your network resilient. They are your first line of defense against router downtime. Understanding these is a huge step towards building robust data centers. What other network protocols are you curious about? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Network Academy fun. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.